కదిలేకే నువ్వు కదులుతున్నావు.
కొంచెం కింద చెయ్యి.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
అక్క క్యాండిల్ వెలిగి అక్క.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
లైట్స్ ఆఫ్.
ఎడిట్ చేసుకో తర్వాత.
ఉంటే బాగుండేది.
ఆగు ఎడిట్ చేసుకో తర్వాత. ఆన్నే ఉండు బావా. బంద్ చేయి.
సూపర్.
ఆన్ చేయి.
పెద్దలు పిచ్చులు
హే అది పడేయక తల్లి కేక్.
వీడియో బంద్ చేసిన ఇక చాలు కదా.
వెళ్ళండి ఇది వీడియో ఆపద్దంట. వెళ్ళండి మీరు. ఇద్దరు ఒకేసారి పోండి.
పెట్టాలి కదా నేను నీకు, అందుకని పెట్టాలి మొత్తం.
స్టార్ట్. మ్యూజిక్ స్టార్ట్. ఫోటో తీయట్లే, వీడియో. ఫోటో కాదు, వీడియో. Good morning. So today is my birthday, as you can see. Yesterday night they have decored all the things, and they even like vlog for me. So that's really cute. And yeah, guys, now it's 10:35. So we had our breakfast. I forgot to show that. We had dosa, and now we just brought chicken. So we are cooking that. Not me, because I'm the birthday girl, I'm the princess today. So I'm not cooking. My sister and everyone is cooking. So yeah, guys, let's go. Yeah. So after we had chicken for lunch, and then I slept afterward, and just I woke up at 5:30 or 6. So now right now the time is 7:30. Now everyone is getting ready. We are going to leave to the cafe which we are going. So yeah, guys, and Shooter get ready with me. So yeah, I'll meet you there. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Guys, we all are ready. We are going. So our auto has arrived. So let's go. Thanks.
What are you eating?
Sizzling brownie.
Okay, where are the sizzle? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So this is after like 2 or 3 days after my birthday. So yeah, guys. After that, we came home. I enjoyed a lot there, and yeah, the food was also really good. I think you have to definitely try it once. The restaurant, and lastly, I ate the sizzling brownie, which was, guys, next level, guys. Like, yeah, little bit chocolate was burned, down because it's sizzling. Lol. So yeah, but overall it was a really nice cafe. I really enjoyed my birthday this year, and yeah, guys, I turned 13 years old. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye, guys.